Hello everyone, I'm Val from Mike and Val's Life, and today I am participating in Around the World on a Broomstick for Halloween. This is being hosted by Kiki of Kiki DIYs, Ruth of Kentucky Frey'd Fun, and Pat, Style with Pat. For those of you who may not be familiar with their channel, I'm going to leave a link to each one of them below, so please go check them out. On to the challenge. This is where you just make a wreath for Halloween and be able to share it. This turned out to be a really fun wreath to make. Right at first, I had started another wreath and I just didn't like the way it turned out. And this is that same grapevine wreath that I've made. This is like the third wreath. As the season changes, I'll take it apart and then make a new wreath. And that's what I did this time also. So let me give you a closer look. I just used some black flowers with a little accent of purple and gold. And I made a funky bow and just added a little Anna Lee doll in the center, little witch. Oh, I had ordered her and it came in like 3 days before and it was just absolutely perfect, so I just put her in the middle. Also have a little bat and then just some more flowers with the purple and gold accents on it. I really love the way this turned out. Now I want to thank Kiki, Ruth, and Pat for making this an open challenge. Oh, I just really enjoyed. I just love the way that it turned out, and it gave me the motivation to just get it done. And I also want to thank each and every one of you for stopping by and letting me share this with you. I appreciate each and every one of you so much. I hope everyone has a great day and a wonderful week. Bye-bye, and may God bless.